to the channel. This is Israel Life and this is Real Life. And today I will be showing you how to crochet a mask. The video I'm following is from a channel called Handmade by May. Her link will be in the description below. As you can see here, I'm showing you all the materials that I use in the video, which consist of a 5mm hook, scissors, and yarn, of course. You can use any yarn of your choice, it really is up to you. Once you have all of your required materials for the video, we will get started. So, like always, you start with a slip knot. Once you've made your slip knot, you're going to chain 33. Once you finish chaining your 33 chains, we're going to single crochet into the next 4 chains, which should then give you a total of 5 chains. The next step is to double crochet into the next 6 stitches to follow. Once you are done with that, you're going to half double crochet into the next 8 chains. Then half double crochet into the next 8 stitches. I made a lot of errors while I was making the mask, which is why you'll see me pulling the yarn loose a lot, which is also why I had the video time-lapsed pretty fast. I mean, I never said I was a professional. It's not going to be perfect the first time. I mean, this is real life. After that's done, you're going to single crochet into the final stitches of the row. Now, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and do it all over again. This is a very easy tutorial, but like I said, you will see me struggling a lot through the video. Making your own masks became very popular during the pandemic, which is why I decided to take a jab at it myself. There's so much you can do with this. I love how when you crochet, you can really take what someone else does and just make it your own, and just really express yourself. It's pretty cool. Okay, although somewhere in this video I did mess up the mask to like the point where the end product looked nothing like what the girl did in the video I was watching. So off camera I did do it over again and made it look the way it was actually supposed to look. So don't use exactly what I'm doing in this video per se as a reference, but more so just follow the prompts I'm giving you, and you should get a pretty good mask in the end. It's not always like this, I promise. At the end of the video, you will see the correct version of the mask that I completed off camera, so stay tuned for that. You'll be able to see both versions side by side for comparison. Right here, I'm making the loops for the ears. In the video, she chained 28 chains, but that ended up being too big for me, so I had to adjust it, and I'm sure you will too. No one size fits all. Once you're done chaining your needed chains, you will single crochet into the edge corner of the mask. You will do this on both sides and then cut the loose and unneeded threads. And any other loose threads, you're just going to knot them and then weave them in so that your mask doesn't come unloose later on. Ta-da! Just like that, you are done. This is a side-by-side comparison of both masks that I did. You can see a clear difference between the two. I tried my best. This was me getting back into crocheting after a long time of not doing it, which is why the first one doesn't look that good. But it's all okay in the end, because the second one turned out to be really nice and I liked it a lot, and I used it a lot. Here's some pictures of the mask that I crocheted on Kalanqua. This is the first mask. And this one is the second. So this was a very fun and beginner-friendly tutorial, and I totally recommend that anyone who wants to do this does it. And as I continue to make these videos, you shall see my improvements as I crochet. Well, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!